If you've ever found yourself banned from a Telegram group, you know how frustrating it can be, especially if you're not sure exactly what went wrong or how to get back in. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to get unbanned fast from a Telegram group in 2024. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you need to do, who to contact, the right way to ask for an unban, and most importantly, what to avoid so you don't make things worse. Let's get right into it. First up, it's important to understand that being banned from a Telegram group isn't something you can undo yourself. There's no magic button or shortcut to reverse the process. This is an administrative decision, and only the group's admin or owner has the authority to lift the ban. So even if you search up tutorials or tools claiming to hack your way back in, don't be fooled. Not only does that not work, but it could also get your whole Telegram account in serious trouble. Your first and biggest priority is to figure out who actually manages the group. Why? Because only they have access to the ban list. It's kind of like having the keys to a locked door. If you know anyone else who's still in the group, ask them if they can share the username of an admin or the group owner. Sometimes group admins are listed in the group's info, but in many cases, especially in larger Telegram communities, they're not as obvious. Another great trick is to check if the group is connected to a public channel, or maybe even a business or influencer. Often, their main profile or channel description will include admin contact details or a link to their Telegram username. Now, once you've identified who the admin is, the next step is to reach out to them directly, but take a moment here. It's important to send your message from your original Telegram account, not a new or different one. Creating a new account just to contact them usually falls under ban evasion, and trust me, Telegram admins are quick to spot this. It could just get your second account banned too. If you can't find a way to reach them directly, see if you have a mutual friend in the group who's willing to message on your behalf. A bit of patience here can save you a lot of hassle later. When you're ready to reach out, keep your message short, polite, and to the point. Something like, "Hi, I was recently banned from your group, insert group name. I believe it was a misunderstanding or a mistake. Could you please unban me? I'd like to make sure I follow all the group rules in the future." Remember, admins are only human. Approaching them respectfully increases your chances of a positive response. You might feel frustrated or upset, but keep all emotion out of the message. It's not about winning an argument, it's about being allowed back. If for whatever reason you can't contact them on Telegram, maybe their privacy settings prevent messages from non-contacts, expand your search. Think about other platforms where they might be active. It could be X, formerly Twitter, Instagram, Discord, or even a business website contact form. Group and channel owners who run professional or public communities often make their contact methods visible. Take a look at the group's related profiles or sites for any listed ways to connect. Now, if the admin decides to unban you, hear what happens on their end. They have to open the group's admin panel, scroll to the banned users list, find your username, and manually click unban. Once you're removed from the ban list, you're free to join back right away, usually with the same invite link you used before. And just to reiterate, there really isn't any shortcut, hack, or third-party bot that can get you back in if the admin doesn't want to allow it. The best thing you can do if your request is denied is to respect their decision. After all, every group has rules, and sticking to them builds your reputation across Telegram. If you found this guide helpful, give it a quick like, and if you have any questions or want to share your experience, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more practical tips and tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting back into your Telegram group.